Your refrigerator is humming louder than it used to. Your air conditioner rattles. Your dishwasher stalls mid-cycle. You blame the appliance, but a Bloomberg investigation of nearly 1 million home sensors uncovered something unsettling. The electricity inside your walls is being warped by data centers powering AI. An estimated 3.7 million Americans are already living with this degraded power, and what it is doing inside their homes goes far beyond noise. A kitchen at night should be quiet. But lately, the refrigerator's hum cuts through the silence, a low drone that seems to vibrate in your bones. In the living room, the air conditioner kicks on with a rattle sharp enough to make you flinch. The dishwasher, once a background murmur, now stutters and stalls mid-cycle, as if it is struggling to catch its breath. These are not the dramatic failures you would expect from a bad storm or a blackout. The lights stay on. Nothing trips. Yet something is off. Subtle, persistent, unsettling. You try to ignore it. Maybe the fridge is just getting old. Maybe the air conditioner needs a tune-up. But the noise is new, and it is everywhere. Motors run hotter to keep up. Dishes come out only half dry. The compressor in the freezer seems to vibrate against the floor, shaking the cabinets ever so slightly. You start to wonder if the appliances are working overtime, if the electricity itself has changed. This is not the kind of power problem that makes headlines. There is no flicker, no sudden outage. Instead, there is a hidden current running beneath daily life, a kind of power pollution that creeps in quietly, warping the familiar rhythm of your home. The perfect sine wave, the musical note your appliances are designed to play, is being drowned out by static and distortion. It is not just a nuisance, it is invisible degradation. Happening right now inside your walls, wearing down the machines you rely on, one humming night at a time. Electricity is meant to flow as a pure 60 Hz sine wave, a single unwavering note. Every appliance in a home depends on that steady rhythm. When the current stays clean, motors run cool and quiet. But as soon as extra frequencies creep in, the waveform distorts. This is harmonic distortion, unwanted multiples of 60 Hz layered onto the original signal, like static drowning out a familiar tune. The more distortion, the harder appliances have to work, running hotter and wearing out faster. Engineers track this with total harmonic distortion, or THD. In theory, THD should be 0. The IEEE 519 standard sets the red line at 8% for low voltage systems. Cross that, and the grid's harmony is broken. Motors overheat, windings degrade, and the lifespan of devices shrinks. The main source is nonlinear loads, machines that gulp power in sharp, uneven bursts. Data centers are the biggest offenders. Their switched mode power supplies, variable frequency drives, and uninterruptible power systems all chop and reshape electricity, injecting harmonics back into the grid. A single data center focused on AI can draw as much power as 10,000 homes, but its load is anything but smooth. As one IEEE engineer put it, AI is such a big hammer on the grid, it smashes the waveform flat. Dirty electricity now seeps into neighborhoods, pushing THD to or past the 8% limit. Harmonics do not trip breakers, but they make appliances run hot and loud. The Whisker Labs CEO warned that harmonics are a canary in the coal mine. The warning hum is already in the walls. Proof of this hidden power pollution does not come from a single lab or a handful of complaints. It comes from a silent army of sensors, almost 1 million Ting devices, plugged into homes across the country. These palm-sized monitors do not just watch for fire hazards. They listen to the electrical music in the walls, measuring every hitch, every spike, every bit of static that should not be there. By the end of 2024, 90% of American homes sat within half a mile of one of these sensors, creating a nationwide stethoscope for the grid's heartbeat. Bloomberg analysts took this ocean of data and ran it through statistical tests built for crime scenes and epidemics. They mapped out every instance where the smooth 60 Hz note of clean electricity was drowned out by distortion, using the IEEE red line of 8% total harmonic distortion as the cutoff. Their models, cross-checked against utility-grade SCADA systems, showed a near-perfect match, a correlation of 0.92. The data did not just suggest a problem, it measured it, with more than 3/4 of high distortion events landing within 50 miles of a major data center, and half of the worst cases inside 20 miles. This is not a theory. It is a nationwide pattern, captured in real time, showing that dirty electricity is not a local fluke, but a measurable, spreading phenomenon. Northern Virginia has become a focal point for power quality concerns. In Loudoun County, Ting sensors show homes are 4 times more likely than average to cross the 8% total harmonic distortion threshold, known as THD. Some neighborhoods in Prince William County see spikes as high as 12.9%, and 6% of sensors there log dangerous levels. Even York County, 80 miles away, records total harmonic distortion around 3%, still above the national norm. The pattern traces the spread of data centers, their electrical demands rippling through the region. In Chicago, the story shifts. From 37 to 38% of homes have experienced at least one episode of dirty electricity, with more than a third enduring the problem for 9 months or longer. Heat maps reveal similar red zones in Dallas, Denver, Seattle, New Jersey, and Maryland. Despite utility claims that their systems meet standards, sensor data from nearly 1 million homes points to a quiet, widespread degradation reaching deep into residential life. A refrigerator's hum isn't just annoying, it's a warning. When dirty electricity slips past the 8% total harmonic distortion line, the consequences move from background noise to real damage. Motors inside fridges, air conditioners, and dishwashers are designed for a single, pure note. But with power pollution, they are forced to play through static. Each extra frequency becomes heat trapped in the windings, stress on the bearings, and a slow grind toward failure. Engineering studies show that a 10 degrees Celsius rise inside a motor, exactly what happens when harmonics run high, can cut its lifespan in half. That is not a distant threat. Warranty records from Loudoun County reveal heating and air conditioning compressors failing 2 to 3 times faster than the national average. In Chicago, nuisance breaker trips spike by 15% during months of sustained dirty power. Even the National Fire Protection Association has noticed a small but real uptick in electrical fires near data center corridors, linking them to overheated wiring and insulation breakdown. As Whisker Labs' chief executive officer says, harmonics are a canary in the coal mine. The hum, the rattle, the shortened appliance life, these are not random failures. They are the cost of invisible degradation, happening right now inside your walls. Dominion Energy's official line is simple. We have not observed harmonic levels of the magnitude reported. Commonwealth Edison echoes the same doubt, calling the Ting sensor network uncalibrated and insisting their own readings show compliance with the IEEE's 8% limit. For families listening to their appliances struggle and overheat, these denials feel like gaslighting. Utilities monitor the grid from a distance, at the substation, not inside the home, leaving a blind spot where dirty electricity slips through, unchecked and unacknowledged. There is no requirement to log residential power quality, and most utilities have no plans to start. Behind the scenes, the mismatch runs deeper. Data centers can rise from empty lots to full operation in as little as 2 years, driven by AI's relentless appetite for power. But grid upgrades, new substations, harmonic filters, reinforced lines, move at a glacial pace. Permitting, engineering, and funding stretch out for 5, sometimes 10 years. While hyperscale facilities draw the equivalent of 10,000 homes overnight, the wires feeding neighborhoods are still waiting for their turn in the budget cycle. The numbers do not add up. Industry analysts put the true cost of grid upgrades at $3.1 trillion by 2030. But the Department of Energy has only set aside $2 billion so far. The gap between what is needed and what is planned is not just financial, it is structural. As data centers multiply, the grid's ability to keep up is falling further behind, and the fallout is humming in kitchens and living rooms across the country. Some fixes are already at work, but they are outpaced and outnumbered by the scale of the problem. In Northern Virginia, a handful of new data centers have been required to build their own substations, fitted with harmonic filters designed to smooth out the worst of the distortion. These filters can cut total harmonic distortion by up to 5%, but only if installed at the right place and only if the funding is there. Dominion Energy's $250 million transmission upgrade into Loudoun County includes special filter banks, an engineering answer to a problem that is spreading faster than the grid can adapt. In Chicago, a pilot project with active conditioners on neighborhood feeders has trimmed the average THD, but the effort covers a fraction of the city's homes. Meanwhile, the North American Electric Reliability Corporation has assembled a task force, promising a nationwide vulnerability assessment and new recommendations by the end of 2025. But as new data centers break ground from Florida to Oregon, more than 3.7 million Americans already live in zones where dirty electricity is now routine. The hum in your kitchen is not just a nuisance, it is a warning. 3 things can change this story: demanding public access to power quality data, pressing regulators to set enforceable standards for residential THD, and organizing neighbors to petition utilities for real mitigation. The grid's harmony is slipping, but the solution is not out of reach. Tonight, the hum in your kitchen is not just appliance fatigue, it is power pollution, invisible degradation happening right now inside your walls. As AI becomes, in one engineer's words, such a big hammer, harmonics remain the canary in the coal mine. The static is not just noise, it is a warning.